dois.
Trying to get some more on the bread. The man in the back saying you gotta go back. You know they didn't give it the chance. Christ, you know that it needs it. You know how hard it can be. The way things are going, they're gonna crucify me. Finally made the plane to Paris. Hollywood is top of the scene. Peter Paul gonna say you can make it okay. You got that memory too bright on your face. What you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it can be. The way things are going, they're gonna crucify me. So from Paris to the Amsterdam Hilton, talking in your flat for a week. Give me 70 cents, so what's the doing in that? I said it only if I can get it, but what you know it ain't easy. How hard it can be. The way things are going, they're gonna crucify me. Sailing in the morning for a rainy day, giving all your blood to charity. Last night the rock said, I'm gone. Turning up the wicked, but the sound. Bam! Made a lot of drink in the end. Eating chocolate cakes in a black. Newspaper said, he's gone, he's gone. Just look just like your girls and drop rocks. You know it ain't easy. You know how hard it can be. The way things are going, they gotta crucify me. Cassie had a play back to London. DTX was dying his time. Came back from the process, we wish that you can. It's good to have the book of your back. What you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it can be. The way things are going, they're gonna crucify me. The way things are going, they're gonna crucify me. Essa música, ela ia sair, ela não ia nem entrar no repertório porque a gente achou que não era uma música nem tão conhecida. Mas só de ver aquele meu amigo que está ali atrás cantando ela toda me deixou feliz. Valeu. Aliás, eu fiquei te vendo que eu esqueci a letra uma hora, eu vi que você cantou, eu lembrei. She's happy as can be, you know she's had some. I'm in love with her and I feel fine. Baby said she's mine, you know she tells me all the time, you know she's had some. I'm in love with her and I feel fine. I'm so glad that she finally does. She's so glad. She's done all the way that I say about the things you know. The fight is not on wings, you know she said so. She's in love with me and I feel fine. fame and finds her fate, you know. Who finds us diamonds rings, you know. She said so. She's in love with me and I feel fine. She's in love with me and I feel fine. Hello. She wasn't there, keep up, one way tickets, yeah, into the sun, and fall down, fall down.
Valeu. O nome dessa música agora, também do álbum branco, é Revolution. Pra vocês.
Vamos tentar acertar ela, hein? Say you want a revolution, well, you know, I want to change the world. It's all about its evolution, well, you know, I want to change the world. When you talk about destruction, for the contribution, well, you know, you better free your mind instead. solution. We all have to change the plan. The soldier change the constitution. We are doing what we can. If you go down in the picture, you travel down. You ain't gotta make it anyway. Alright. 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 Alright.
Obrigado, gente.
Aqui na minha guitarra, né?
Pode.
Esse não tá baixo.
Pô, tá um calor ali do caralho.
E aí, vocês estão gostando? Vamos fazer um trechinho lá fora.
Pega aquela cerveja dele ali que ele não tá nem bebendo.
Vamos lá?
Peguei dele, velho, aí, ó. Dá direto. Dá direto aí. A boca tá marroada.
Obrigado. Isso aqui é um rockzinho dos anos 60, quero ver todo mundo dançando agora, hein? 1, 2, 3, 4!